Yo Rob, so this is the continuation of my video for tomorrow yesterday. So as you can see, it's building arms race again. So I still have no points. Then this is the one that I finished yesterday. So I will just claim it, and then it won't be enough. I still need 100 left. So I'll just finish it using this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's enough. So that's 30,000 points. So the purpose of this is I am not over spending speed ups or points, since today is hero day 4, train heroes. So this is the only points where this is the only way we can gain points during BS. So no need to overspend speed ups or building power for this. So now I still have to do this. For this will be enough for 2 days, but take note, I only did that for iron mine. If it's for oil well, I usually finish it and claim it, even though I will overspend some points. So why if you ask now, I need the oil production, and I need the oil production more than iron. Why? To increase my output. When it's in gift status, the added, look at this. So iron output per hour 39,600, while 34 is 38,880. If it is still in a gift status, this will still be your output 38,880. Although even though it is finished, until you claim it, it won't be 39,600. So take note on that. What else? So I think that's it for building. And then, sorry, I haven't show you this one, the alignment of this build now and research now, but I think I will be able to do that later on tech AR. So using this, so I'll try to align this for the next arms race for tomorrow. I'll use some speed ups later at 6 p.m. SGT to 10 p.m. SGT, and then I'll try to align it for tomorrow's AR 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. SGT, while considering the 20 hours less per research. So it will less 20 hours each here. So I'll try to align this and see if, let's see later if I can do that. So that's all for now.